Hi everyone, I'm Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar. The market has been closed for just about an hour now, and I trade Emini futures. So how did you guys do today? Well, wouldn't it be great to know where the market was likely to trade on any given day? I always tell my students the most important thing that you could ask, if you could ask the best trader in the world, the most important question you could ask him, what would it be? And of course that question would be, where is the market going to trade today? So keep that question in the back of your mind and let's go through today's trading. Well, today, this is the Emini chart and it's 5 p.m. right down here. It's 5 p.m. Eastern time. The market opened here, right down here, right here at 9:30. The market opened at 43.30 or thereabouts, and basically traded down to the close of the previous day. Now, the gap trade is a well-known trade, and if you don't know the gap trade, well, first of all, if you've been watching my videos, you know I'm a big proponent of the gap trade. Why? Because the gap closes 75% of the time. And with the international circumstances being what they are, with the Russian invasion of Ukraine, it's likely to assume the market is not going to go up. So the market opened rather over here at 43.30. So where was it going to go today? Well, the good guess, the best guess would be, well, it's going to trade down to the close of the previous day. Okay, so it did actually close a trade down to the close of the previous day at 4,300. So picking up 30 points is fine. And if you did that and you're trading E-minis or multiple contracts on micro minis, you could go home on a high probability trade and you can go home and enjoy the rest of the day. And that would have been at just about 10 a.m. So from 9:30 to 10 a.m., you would have made your money. You could have closed your browser, closed your computer, had a great day knowing that you made money on a low risk, high probability trade. But what about the rest of the day? Well, we have a lot of action the rest of the day. Where is the market going to go? Who knows? Who knows where the market's going to go? Well, if you were a student of mine and you subscribed to my Trading Zone subscription service, you would know where the market was going to go because I sent subscribers of my Trading Zone service two numbers. One number was 43.28. Another number was 42.40. And this is the likely range where the market was going to trade. And this is what it looks like. So you could have started your day with a chart where you laid it out just like this. You could have drawn this rectangle denoted by the support at 42.20 and resistance at 43.28. And you would have been a more knowledgeable trader for it. Of course, the gap trade is a gift, right? The gap trade is a gift. And we don't know where the market is going to trade, but it does have targets. And look at this. The market traded back up to the gap at a little after midday. And then after that, traded down to our low of 42.40 and basically closed just below that, traded up to it again just a half an hour before the close. But if you had the opportunity to ask the best trader in the world, where is the market going to trade today? He's not going to tell you. I will tell you where the likely areas of trading will occur on the next trading session. So check out my Trading Zone subscription service. Get yourself a subscription. First week is free, no cost. Try it out. If you don't like it, just cancel. You won't pay a cent. And it's very inexpensive after that. The gap is not going to be there for you every day, but the knowledge of where the market is likely to trade, I will tell you that every day. So I hope you had a great day. This is Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar. Again, Wednesday, February 23rd. Thanks for watching. Trade safely, and I'll see you in my next video.